So what we have today for you is the StyleCraft Uno 2.0 shaver. They sent it with the Instinct X, but today we're going to focus on the shaver, and it truly has been an upgrade to my station. I've actually never used the Uno before this video today, and I'm super impressed with the second version of it. 9,000 RPMs in a shaver. I love the fact that that single foil is really going to help you get into nice tight areas, and we're going to get into some of the features that are included in the box. Nice solid packaging, Apple style. And you could just see the quality in this Uno 2.0 shaver. You could see it's a nice metallic finish without glaring too much shine back into your face. That faceplate right there is super premium looking. It gives a nice grip for your thumb as well when you're using it. You can also see that the gold hypoallergenic foil is just A1. The quality is top tier, and it uses USB-C. So in this case, it's actually a much more modern high-tech product. And it does come with the fast charging cables, a cleaning brush, and also a nice feeling velvety travel pack that everything is going to be able to fit into. You'll see here, we go ahead and start to stuff everything into it: the shaver, the cleaning elements, the charging cables. All of that's going to fit nice and snug into that bag. It's going to make sure that it protects your item as you travel, to protect that premium metal surface. It's definitely something to look into. If you want to upgrade it even more, you can get the USB-C charging stand that StyleCraft offers, and we'll talk about that more another day. So let's go ahead and take a quick side-by-side comparison, and we can look at the old version versus the new. The charging plug is a huge upgrade. USB-C versus the old school cable, definitely an upgrade. When it comes to the shape and the size of it, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. They kept that just about the same, but with higher power. You can already see the difference in the faceplate, and just, it's a much cleaner looking machine. Overall, a 10 out of 10. Thank you so much, StyleCraft, for bringing this to the market, and use your discount code TitoCuts to save 15%.